War. It comes for us all. And sometimes it comes on four legs.
Ho! Not one step closer, fiend.
For now, peace. But the vigilance never ends. Like and follow for more epic battles.